Hi everyone, this is Steven here and this is
Melissa.
Melissa.
Koala.
Thanks for publicly acknowledging I'm a koala. Melissa, what do you do for work?
Work, I'm an analyst
Analyst?
at a pathology company.
Pathology company. And you have a hidden talent which is?
Ah, yes, I do like to paint.
You like to paint here? Melissa paints beautiful pictures. Do you want to tell people your website?
My
Are you still running it?
website is my name, yeah.
Still running it?
Yeah, and also my Instagram is my name, Zoe Smith.
Okay, I'll put that in the description, so watch out for her collections. She's a beautiful artist. I just love her art.
Thank you.
All right. Now, Melissa, how many times a week do you train?
I like to come to at least 3 or 4 classes a week.
3 or 4 classes?
And I usually walk 3 or 4 times a week as well.
That's good.
Yeah.
So what sort of classes do you go?
Body attack,
Real type?
body combat,
Body combat?
and body attack again usually. And maybe Zumba, if I can get a Zumba class in as well.
Yes.
Yeah, on Thursdays I do that as well.
That's good. Very good. Very good. Yeah, I saw Melissa in Zumba classes too. Yeah.
You should do it one day.
I did. Oh yeah. I will. Yeah.
You fall over?
No. Why do you like exercise? Why do you like workout?
I guess the main reason is I like to feel strong in my body.
Okay.
And I think when your body feels strong, your mind follows suit and your health follows suit as well. So it's pretty much a primary thing.
Okay. Okay. So for somebody who is starting gym or restarting their workout, like coming back from COVID, what sort of advice do you have for somebody who trying to restart their exercise journey?
I use a technique I don't normally use. And I wrote things down to get myself back into routine. Because for 2 years I've been out of routine. Like I wrote on a calendar, I did body attack, I did body combat, I went for a walk, and that got me into remembering to do it next week and the week after. So that technique of literally writing it down. And also the other thing is go hard. Like don't give your body a rest. Go hard and get it back. Reclaim what's yours.
Very good. All right. Well, Melissa, thank you so much for your time. Like I said, the reason why I'm doing this 50 GMAs in 50-week series is because everybody here is actually motivating me a lot. I mean, you probably not know about it, but every time seeing you here gives me the motivation to be here as well.
Ah, that's good. Same with you, though. If I clock you in a class, I always know I'm going to try and go as hard as you. And I can never jump as high as you. That's just a fact. It's like a frog.
No, I'm actually thinking about the same. I was like, geez, Melissa's pushing hard today. I'm going to do hard as well. You got the positive.
So it's a never-ending cycle of pain. That's
Exactly right. We're giving us some good pain. Thank you once again. I'll see you around.
Okay.
And guys, watch out for more videos, and I'll put Melissa's link down below. So yeah, stay tuned and thanks, Melissa.
Okay.
Cheers, bye.